So there was this story, and it had a character in it, a central main character, and there were various other characters as well. But there was a main character, and it had so many things happening in it, in this story, so many dramas and twists and turns. It was a love story, it was a comedy, it was a thriller, it was a drama. So many different parts to it, developments of the story. And it was beautiful. It was a beautiful story, full of passion, full of emotion, full of tears, full of joys, full of suspense and anticipation. A really exciting, dramatic, interesting story. And then the birds started singing.